ito na yung aking paratha na ginawa. Ayan o. Maganda yung pagkagawa. Crunchy na soft. Ayan. Ayan. Masarap ito na pang nasta talaga with chai, partner with chai or coffee or pwede din ito pang snack. Ayan o. Maganda yung layer niya. Cooking or frying paratha using all-purpose flour instead of wet flour. I make only 4 pieces but 1 piece kinain na ng asawa ko. Ngayon lang siya nagnasta with tea. So 3 na lang itong natira. So luto na ito. Ayan. Turn off na natin yung flame. This is last. Because only 4 pieces I make this paratha. So we have to put all this one. This diluted corn flour with oil, cooking oil. And the same procedure, how you make this first, I make already 3 here. Now we have to sprinkle with dry flour. Corn flour, what you call this, all-purpose flour. Now we have to put all this one. And then do like that. And then sprinkle again with flour. And then do like that. Yung aso namin maingay. Tiger at saka Tony. Yung girl is Tony yung name niya. Yung boy ay Tiger. Nasa labas. Now we can start now with this paratha. So we can turn off now the flame. We have to make hot this tawa. They call the tawa here, this flat for using chapati or paratha. So I think this is already hot, this tawa. Now we can put now this one. Bismillah. Now put some oil here. Where is that utsa? Yung ipit. Nasaan na ba yung ipit? You can use this one, yung ano ba ito, yung pang-ipit, yung kutsang tawag dito. I'm making paratha with dumating na yung aking asawa galing sa baba. Uminom lang siya ng tea morning. Kasi ano, yung kambing namin doon, yung aso, kaya ito umakyat na yung aso namin doon sa baba sila natutulog. We have to add more oil. Gagawa pa ako ng chai. So, ayan, luto na itong isa. Ayan, luto ng isa. Ayan. So, next, yung isa na naman. We put oil also here. Love this low fire.